Hey folks, it's Vageline here. Welcome to Who's That Girl, where we do everything here synthetically fun. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So I had one of my subscribers ask me to restyle this synthetic unit. Now I already posted this wig just about 3 weeks ago. I posted this video on YouTube. I purchased the wig from my mother for her birthday. She was having a photo shoot and I got it for her. Now this wig is a Wigpop collection. Her name is Leanza, and I got her this time in the color DR Dragon Fruit. Now this time around, I'm home in my own space with my own utensils and weaponry. So I'll be able to style her the way I want to. So this is pretty much what I'm doing right now. If you happen to want more detail on this wig, I will link her either on top or down in the description box, as well as where you can go ahead and purchase this wig from. So right now what I'm trying to do is fluff this wig up so she has more volume, she has more oomph. She like just doesn't lay there and she doesn't look dull. Like I was really trying my best to fluff her up. As you can see, I was fighting this wig. Like I'm like, oh, you gonna get fluffy, you gonna get fluffy, girl. Now after that battle royale, as you can see, she's fluffed up some more. One thing I realized about synthetic wigs, especially curly ones, the more you wear her, the more wear and tear that you give to the synthetic hair, the more realistic she starts looking, or poofier, or what have you. So I decided to cut her to frame her a little bit to my face, because even though you can wear her this long, I just thought cutting her would give her the actual volume and framing to my face that I needed. And it actually came out. She came out pretty good. Like, I mean, for a Wigpop wig, she cute. I'm not even gonna lie. Even this color, like this color was giving. Outre definitely did their thing with this wig. Now, pros and cons. I got her off of Amazon. I only paid $27 from her, right? Now if you decide to go ahead and go to samsbeauty.com or wigtype.com, you're paid like 19 bucks, right? Okay, she's a full cap wig, right? So that's that put on and go about your business, right? For the price, for the look, for the all in all ambiance of her, she's not a bad wig at all. Throw on and go wigs, she's not a bad wig. Now, would I buy her again in this color? I wouldn't hesitate, because she is actually doing it for me. She is. For the price, the curls are intact. Like, this is a whole wig for like 20 bucks. You can get a whole wig for like 20 bucks. Like, you can't go wrong with that. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but you cannot go wrong with her. Where would I wear her to? She is definitely an everyday wig. Like, again, throw it on and go. Supermarket, throw it on and go. Heading to school, throw her on and go. Going to work, throw her on and go. Sugar Honey Iced Tea, if you want to exercise in this wig, you can throw her on and go. For a costume, throw her on and go. For a date night, throw her on and go. Baby, she is... Listen, Leanza, I'm gonna give my girl an 8.5, because the different styles I was able to wear her in, the color of her is really nice. She's perfect for this fall / winter / whatever you want to call this season. She's an all in all cute wig, and that's all I have for y'all for tonight. That's it. That's all I got. Anyway, guys, if you happen to like what you see in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a baddie like this one, cause baby, she bad. Oh, she bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. Thank you. Bye.